Hello guys, good morning. It is 6:30 in the morning at papasok na ako. Tingnan nyo naman, ang foggy. Pero yung temperature today is only 12. Pero sobrang foggy, di ba? Lakas makabagyo pero Diyos ko, good luck for later. Paano ako ngayon papasok? Charot. By the way, my name is Zai and you're watching Good morning guys. Papasok na ako at ang foggy today. So hindi naman masyadong malamig. Mga 12 degrees lang. Pero ganito yung nakikita ko today. Sobrang foggy, di ba? Ayan. Until this afternoon ata na ganito, mukhang madaling araw lagi. So, later, may mga gagawin ako or itatry. So, I'll show you later. Siyempre, office lang naman ako. Wala naman ako ginagawang iba. So, I'll keep you posted. See you later, guys. So, I've decided na mag-take na lang ng bus today kasi, I don't know, a few minutes na lang kasi dadating na rin naman yung bus. So, hintayin ko na. Mga 3 bus stops lang naman ako to the train station. So, mga 2 minutes ride lang siguro yun. I'm at the train station na. Nagmamadali ako. Charo. Ang aga ko nga eh. Anong oras na ba? It's 6:55. Train ko is 7:09 pa. AM. So, this is how it looks like. Wait lang. Tada. Foggy pa rin. Siyempre, wala na namang tao. Or kung meron man mga isa, dalawa. Yeah, walang tao, guys. Solo flight na naman ako. Mamaya, darating naman yung mga ibang pasahero. This is my outfit for today. Dahil solo tayo, mag-video muna tayo ng OOTD for today. Hindi naman kasi masyadong malamig and the forecast is hindi uulan, kaya mag-teddy bear coat tayo. So, nakarating na nga ako sa office. Since medyo maaga pa, magtimpla muna tayo ng kape. Then, after this kasi magte-training. So, makakapag-shoot na lang ako mamayang lunch. And, syempre, samahan niyo ako kung saan ako pipili ng aking lunch later. It's our lunchtime at lumabas kami. Punta kami dito sa Jerry's. Malapit lang to sa office. Mga 5 minutes walk away. And pumili kami ng salt and pepper chicken. At medyo matagal yung serving kasi ang daming bumibili. Kaya we've decided na pumunta na lang sa office at dun kumain para mabilisan na lang. At grabe ang sarap. Ang laki ng serving nila. It's good for 2 to 3 person at busog ka. The cost only about 8 pounds. So, me and my friend just share. Tapos, yung isa naming ka-opisina actually asked kung pwedeng tikman. So, syempre, binigyan namin. Ayan, enjoy lang namin ito. Then, after this kasi, training ulit. Tapos, the most awaited part, which is uwian. By the way, nang magtanghali, nawala na rin yung fog. So, mas maganda na yung sikat ng araw. Like this now. na ako, guys. And that's what happened for today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Paalam!